Pax Christi, Nigerian Catholics. So the Episcopal Ordination and installation of the 5th Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Ilorin, His Excellency Most Reverend Dr. Anselm Pendo Lawani, took place today, the 2nd of February 2024 at St. Joseph's Catholic Cathedral, Ilorin, Kwara State, Nigeria. A total of about 29 bishops participated in the Episcopal Ordination of Ilorin's 5th bishop, and the ordaining prelate was the Catholic Archbishop of Ibadan Archdiocese, His Grace Most Reverend Dr. Gabriel Leke Agbegorin, and the co-consecrators for this ordination were the Catholic Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Ondo, His Excellency Most Reverend Dr. Jude Ayodeji Arogundade, and the Catholic Bishop of Osogbo, His Excellency Most Reverend Dr. John Oyejola. The Catholic Bishops' Conference of Nigeria was very well represented, starting, of course, with the two cardinals of the Catholic Church here in Nigeria, His Eminence John Cardinal Olorunfemi Onaiko, and the Catholic Bishop of Ikolobia Diocese, His Eminence Peter Cardinal Opaleke. The other bishops who were present were the Catholic bishops of Ekiti, the Catholic Bishop of Katsina, and the Catholic Bishop of Zaria. Of course, there were a lot of other bishops, both retired and those in active service, who participated in this ordination, including the Emeritus Archbishop of Ibadan, His Excellency Most Reverend Dr. Felix Alaba Job, and the Catholic Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Oyo, who was also the Homelist for this ordination, in the person of His Excellency Most Reverend Dr. Badejo. His Excellency the Bishop Emeritus, or the Emeritus Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Ilorin, was also there, in the person of Most Reverend Dr. Ayo Maria Atuyebi OP, a bishop from the Order of Preachers, or the Dominicans. He, after his retirement, handed over the see of the Catholic Diocese of Ilorin to late Most Reverend Paul Olawoore, who unfortunately passed away on the 1st of January 2022. So it's been about close to a year plus since the passing away of Ilorin's 4th bishop. He passed away at the age of 60. So it was indeed a surreal moment watching as the Catholic Diocese of Ilorin got their bishop. Okay, it was wonderful to watch, seeing him being ordained, especially because he was also the sole administrator. This is the first time in recent history that a sole administrator, or rather an apostolic administrator over a diocese, is eventually ordained its bishop. So I want to say a huge congratulations to the Catholic Diocese of Ilorin, and of course to the Catholic Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Ilorin, the newest bishop of the Catholic Church here in Nigeria. So, looking forward to another Episcopal Ordination on the 3rd of March 2024, as the Catholic people of Olawoore will gather together for the Episcopal Ordination of an auxiliary bishop. So we pray and look forward to it. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.